Hi, I'm Chantai from Parenting Special Needs Magazine, and I'm so excited to share our brand new issue with you. Let's start by giving a huge welcome to our cover stars, Darius and his amazing mom, Irisa. You may know them already from social media, but we had the chance to connect with Irisa on a more personal level, and wow, her insight and love for her son are inspiring. She truly lives this quote. A mother of a special needs child is not just a parent. She's an advocate, a teacher, a nurse, and a warrior. Her love changes lives and her strength shapes a better world. That definitely sums up Arissa. And this issue is also about housing and tools and options that support independent living for our young adults and growing independence. And a big thank you to Osprey Village, Smart Living Systems, and Betty's for sharing their insight. And it's also that time of year for travel. And we wanted to make sure you've heard about Sunflower Lanyards. They're making travel easier for families like ours. And we've got tips you'll love. And that is just the start. We're also more mobile friendly than ever, and you can read us wherever you are. Click in and explore and enjoy this issue. Thanks for being part of our community, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.